I'm reacting to some of the craziest 3D printing ever. Oh my goodness, the sound is already going crazy, but I think this is gonna be awesome. Oh, what was that? No way, this is already getting crazy. Check out your... Whatever. Oh my god, what was that? No. This actually something that I can watch over and over, but let's go to the next clip. Next, just need to hit that subscribe button. Oh, what are they trying to do? No, it's actually too quiet and I think I need to talk. Oh, just imagine putting that in there, then the next thing is explosion. Oh, so when you fix that, what next? Is it gonna be a bomb? Thought I had not at the door. What was that? Oh, this is... Oh, wait, is that I'm not actually shooting lamps? What is he actually doing with that? Oh, no way. Definitely like this and making it fall that way, bro. This is actually insane, bro. Oh, dude. Oh, bro, I absolutely love the music though. But let me stop it before copyright now. Oh, that is... No, I think it's absolutely insane. I don't know, what is this? Lobster? Oh, this is insane. I love this. Look at the eyes. This is absolutely insane. Look, oh, you can even make the head. Oh, that is crazy. That means someone can actually make my hand. Turn my hand, please. Wait, can somebody actually form my entire body like my eye with my big eye, bro? Which one? Look at the eye. Wait, you're just telling me. Bro, what? This is absolutely insane. I wouldn't actually think somebody can actually do this. Bro, we move so fast from creating things with the rocks down to this. It's insane. Banana. Oh my goodness. Please give me the fruits. Any fruit that I want, I can get it. Butterfly. No way. What the heck was that? This is absolutely insane. I really love it. But if you love it, just write in the comment section. Let's play. Oh! Wait, what is this actually? I didn't even read what you said. The word name. Smart flexible what? I don't know. This is a 3D printed fidget cube. Bro, this is actually insane. How do you make this basketball? Oh, look at it. Look figures. No, this is absolutely insane. I love this. I don't know if somebody can actually do it. No. Bro, this is... What is this? Bro, until it's done and you start playing with it. Check. And then everywhere shake. Oh, what is this? Write in the comment section what do you actually think this is. I don't know what that is either. Write in the comment section. No way. Bro, what is this? Let's see what I do. Oreos? Bro, you can actually make anything. Oh, I love the music. It makes me want that. That was absolutely crazy and insane. Oh, wait! How was that fun? Was it fun out of nothing? Just something coming up. Oh, that means you can actually make fun from it. Look at it. It's a braided desk fidget toy, whatever. Oh, this is. Oh, bro, all kids who want to play with this thing. You can make endless toys. This is bro, but are they actually coming out of nowhere? Because look at the way they're formed. Ooh. But bro, I can simply hold my Coke and drink it without that. What's that? Oreos again? No way. We watched it already. What is showing us this? This is. What is this? I wonder what is this. Try the comment section, let me know it. Look at the way it's turning. Oh my goodness. This is absolutely beautiful. Just imagine it is something that actually has a light that in a dark room it will shine a light. Bro, it will be, and while it's turning, oh, this is, oh, I think it just formed out of nothing. Slinky, caterpillar. Oh, where's the face? There's not like a caterpillar there. Oh, look at the face there. Ooh. Everything is actually formed from nothing. Oh, what? Oh my god, everything, like, it's just insane how this thing is just quite beautiful. Oh, bro, we did that before. We did tell we were running. Oh. Bro, what the next thing? Then you fly with the car. It was somebody putting on a seatbelt, then they fly with the car, and then that's gone. No way. That was ugly. Bro, can somebody actually tell me how these things are formed? Because I don't have any clue. Oh. No way, this is beautiful. I love the sound. Oh, until it's shakes. Oh, that is. Okay, I thought it would turn faster. Why does it sound so crazy? What is this? I don't know.